So guys, how to recover or restore transformed object in Adobe Animate? It's really simple. Let's select one of the objects, then press on Q for free transform tool, then do whatever you want with your object. Suppose we are done with the transformation. Also, we added some animation like this. And in frame 30, we want to restore this object into its original form. So how to do it? It's really simple. Right click on the object, transform, remove transform, and we are done. So guys, that's how easily we can recover or restore transformed object in Adobe Animate. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.